Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you the best settings for the Samsung Odyssey G3 monitor for gaming. First, open the monitor menu by pressing the control button underneath the screen. From there, go into the picture settings menu. Start with picture mode. You can choose either custom or FPS mode. FPS mode is great if you mainly play competitive shooters because it makes enemies easier to spot in dark corners. Now move to brightness. Set this somewhere between 70 and 85. If you play in a dark room, you may want to lower it slightly to reduce eye strain during long gaming sessions. Keep contrast at 75. This gives a balanced image without losing details in bright or dark scenes. For sharpness, set it to 60. This keeps the image looking clear and crisp without adding strange outlines around objects. Next, go to color tone. Set this to custom with red at 50, green at 50, and blue at 50. You can also use warm one if you prefer more natural and accurate colors. Now set gamma to mode 1 or 2.2. This helps improve shadow detail and overall image balance in games. Next, we move to gaming performance settings. Make sure your monitor is running at its maximum refresh rate. Depending on your Samsung Odyssey G3 model, this could be 144 Hz, 165 Hz, or even 180 Hz. You can change this in your PC or console display settings. Set response time to faster. This improves motion clarity and reduces ghosting during fast gameplay. Avoid using extreme or MBR mode if you notice flickering or strange visual trails. Turn on FreeSync or Adaptive Sync in the monitor settings. This synchronizes the monitor refresh rate with your graphics card to reduce screen tearing and stuttering. Finally, set the black equalizer to 13 or 14. This brightens dark areas in games without making bright areas look washed out, helping you spot enemies more easily. Thanks for watching.